Hello, welcome back to Real English.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here. I am Sophia.
I'm Liam.
On this podcast, we help you practice real, everyday English.
Today, we are going to talk about our daily routine. It's a very useful topic.
Please remember to like this episode and follow our channel. It really helps us.
It does. Thank you. Okay, let's get started.
So, Liam, how are you today?
Oh, I'm happy, but a little sleepy. And you?
I'm great, thank you. Sleepy? Why?
Because I had such a full weekend. On Saturday, I went trekking with my friends.
Trekking with friends. How was it?
It was so nice. The mountains, the fresh air, laughing with my friends all day. It was a wonderful experience.
Aw, that sounds lovely. And on Sunday?
On Sunday, we all met again. We had a big lunch, we played games, and we talked late into the night.
A busy weekend.
Very busy, but so much fun. Honestly, I don't want it to end. I just want to stay in weekend mode forever.
I know that feeling. Monday comes too fast.
Way too fast. What about you?
On Saturday, I had my dance class.
You dance? I didn't know that.
I love it. Every Saturday. And on Sunday, I met my friends for lunch. Actually, it was lunch and a movie. We ate, we talked, and then we watched a film together.
That sounds like a lovely day.
It was. A good lunch, a good movie, good friends. And then on Monday, I relaxed in the morning.
No alarm?
No alarm, no rush. Just a slow breakfast.
Perfect. Okay, let's talk about our normal day, our daily routine.
Good idea. Let's start with the morning. So, Liam, what time do you wake up?
At 7 o'clock. And you, Sophia?
Earlier, at 6:30. I like a calm start.
6:30? That's early.
It is, but I like it. So, when you wake up, what's the first thing you do?
The first thing I do is make my bed.
Oh, you make your bed. That's organized. You know, they say making your bed is the ultimate keystone habit for a productive day.
Yes, it makes my room look nice. Then I go to the washroom and I brush my teeth.
Me too. I make my bed and then I brush my teeth.
And then I wash my face with cold water. Ugh.
Cold water? Me too. It wakes me up fast.
Exactly. And after that, I take a shower. A cold shower.
A cold shower? Every morning?
Every morning. It's cold, but I feel fresh and awake.
You're brave. I take a warm shower. But first, I go for my morning walk.
A morning walk? Before your shower?
Yes, after I brush my teeth, I change into my walking clothes and I walk for 30 minutes.
30 minutes? Which days?
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
4 days a week. That's good.
Then I come home and I take a nice warm shower. Do you exercise in the morning?
No way. Too early. I go to the gym in the evening, Tuesdays and Thursdays.
Ah, so you're an evening person and I'm a morning person.
Exactly. So after my shower, I get dressed.
Me too, after my walk and shower. So what do you wear for work, Liam?
I like to wear trousers and a shirt. Simple and comfortable.
Trousers and a shirt. Nice. I love skirts and dresses. And sometimes jeans.
Oh, you like a lot of different clothes.
I do. And sometimes I check the weather to decide.
The weather? Why?
Because the weather decides my clothes. Warm day, a light dress. Cold or rainy day, jeans and something warm.
Smart. I just wear the same thing, trousers and a shirt.
Easy for you.
It is. Okay, now the best part. Breakfast.
You like breakfast?
I love it. I am always very hungry in the morning.
So what do you eat?
Lots of things. Some mornings I make eggs. Some mornings I have toast with butter or cereal with milk. And sometimes pancakes on a slow day.
Wow, so many options.
I told you, I'm hungry. And always coffee. What about you?
I keep it simple. Usually overnight soaked oats with yogurt and fruit. And I drink black coffee.
And sometimes I cook my lunch in the morning too.
Oh, do you? I do that too, sometimes. It saves time later.
Well, I try, but usually I eat my lunch outside, near the library.
Ah, breakfast at home, lunch outside.
Exactly. So, how do you get to work, Sophia?
I walk to school. It's very close, only 10 minutes.
You walk? Lucky you. No train, no traffic, no running in the morning.
Yes, and I love it. A short, easy walk, and then my cheerful day begins. How about you? How do you get to work, Liam?
First, I walk to the station. It's very close, just 2 or 3 minutes from my home.
Oh, nice and close.
Then I take the train. It's about 15 minutes to the library.
15 minutes on the train. And what do you do on the train?
I listen to the news mostly. I like the sports updates. And sometimes I just listen to music.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. Honestly, I love this part of the day. There's a little rush, everyone going to work, but it makes me feel energetic. It wakes me up.
I understand. And we both start work at 9 o'clock, right?
Yes, 9 o'clock for both of us.
So, Liam, you're a librarian. What's the first thing you do?
First, I open the library and turn on the lights and computers.
And then?
I help people find books, and I put books back on the shelves. I also have to maintain the records, which books go out, which books come back. So the morning is always very busy.
I teach at a preschool. Very young children.
Little children. Fun, but tiring.
Both. I get to school a little before 9, nice and early. And then the children arrive.
All at once?
One by one. Little feet running in, tiny backpacks, big smiles. Some are happy, some are sleepy, and one or two are crying for mommy.
Aw, so what do you do?
First, I help the other teachers bring everyone inside. Then I give the sad ones a little hug and help them settle down. And convince them by saying, "It's okay. We're going to have fun today."
You're like a superhero for little kids.
A tired superhero. Then the fun begins. We read a story with funny voices. We do a craft. We sing songs and dance. Little hands everywhere. Glue, crayons, so much noise.
That sounds busy.
So busy. But when they laugh and sing, my heart is full. I love it.
You need a lot of energy.
So much energy. My morning is very busy too.
So we both have busy mornings. What time is your lunch break?
12:30. I eat with the children or with the other teachers.
Nice! And what do you eat?
It depends. Sometimes I bring lunch from home, a sandwich with a homemade salad or some pasta. And sometimes I eat the school lunch. At school, the food is always healthy.
That's good, healthy food every day.
It is. And you, what do you eat?
My lunch is later, at 1 o'clock, and I eat outside near the library. Usually something quick and easy, a sandwich or a bowl of noodles. Sometimes I grab a wrap or a slice of pizza.
Quick and easy. Nice.
Exactly. But after lunch, I feel a little sleepy.
Oh, Liam, the afternoon sleepy feeling.
The worst. But it doesn't last. At 2 o'clock, the library gets busy again.
So you wake up.
Exactly. And your afternoon?
Busy too. After lunch, the children have a quiet activity, some coloring or a short nap for the little ones. Then we help them pack their bags, and the parents come to pick them up.
And then you're free?
Not yet. After the children go home, the other teachers and I tidy up the classroom. Then there's some paperwork and other office work to finish. So I finish around 5 o'clock.
A full day.
Yes. What time do you finish?
By 6 or 7?
So we both work a full day.
When you get home, what do you do first?
I put on comfortable clothes. Then I cook dinner. What about you?
Same for me. First, I change into something comfortable. Then I put on some music and I start making my dinner.
Music while you cook. Nice.
It's the best. The music helps me relax after work. What do you like to cook?
Simple things. Fish with vegetables or chicken with rice. And you?
I like simple food too. Some nights I make noodles, some nights rice with chicken. Easy and quick.
Nice. And after I eat, I wash the dishes right away.
Me too. I don't like a messy kitchen.
What time do you have dinner?
9 o'clock. Late.
9. I eat at 7.
7? That's early for me. So what do you do after dinner? So early.
I call my mother and we talk for a while. Then I have my evening to relax.
That's nice. I call my mother too, but later at night. And after dinner, I play video games or watch Netflix. And sometimes I scroll on my phone for too long.
Doom scrolling. And me? I watch dance videos and reality shows. And before bed, I read a book.
A real book?
A real book, not a phone. It calms my mind.
Maybe I should read instead of scrolling.
Maybe you should. When do you go to bed?
11 o'clock. But sometimes later.
Later? Why?
The games, the phone. Time goes so fast. And then the morning is heavy.
Ah, so that's why you're tired today.
Probably. What time do you go to bed?
10 o'clock. I like to sleep early. That's why my mornings are calm.
Maybe I should go to bed earlier, like you.
You should. Put your phone in another room.
That's the hard part. And then we wake up and do it all again.
Yes, the daily routine. The same, but a little different every day.
So listeners, today's question is, what is your favorite part of the day and why?
For me, it's the morning. It's quiet and calm.
For me, it's the evening. I can relax.
So tell us, morning, afternoon, or evening? Write your answer in the comments.
We read every one. It's great practice for your English.
That's our episode for today. Thank you for spending time with us.
If you enjoyed this, share it with a friend and follow Real English for a new episode every week.
So keep learning, keep practicing.
And have a wonderful day.
Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.